Start.
Good morning everyone. I am Ashfaq Ahmed Khan from Dimari High School, West Bengal. At first I want to express my gratitude to give us such a platform and give me the opportunity to participate on 30th National Children's Science Congress 2022. Then I directly go into my project. My project title is Utility of Herbal Plants in a Fixed Formulation for Combating Helicobacter pylori Infection. My focal theme is Understanding Ecosystem for Health and Well-being, and my sub-theme is Fostering Health, Nutrition and Well-being. So from my project title, you have understood that my project is on a bacteria. This is Helicobacter pylori, a gram-negative microaerophilic Lophotrichus helicospiral bacteria. It lives in our stomach and causes several diseases like gastric ulcer, stomach cancer, and another duodenal diseases, and shows such symptoms like heartburn, belching, nausea, increased bleeding gum, decreased appetite, weight loss for no reason, feeling fullness after eating just a small amount of food, burning belly pain, etc. It was first identified in 1982 by two Australian doctors Barry Marshall and Robin Warren. Previously, it was known as Campylobacter pylori. Now, what is our aim of project? We all know that it is age of modern science. There are several modern treatment processes like proton pump inhibitor, hydrogen blockers, bismuth salt, and several antibiotics like amoxicillin, metronidazole, omeprazole, levofloxacin, and etc. So why we choose this traditional treatment process by using these herbal plants? Though there are several antibiotics, but we all know that in all kind of gram-negative bacteria, there is a outer layer of lipopolysaccharide which does not absorb the antibiotics. So antibiotics does not work on any kind of gram-negative bacteria properly. And as Helicobacter pylori is a gram-negative bacteria, antibiotics does not work on it. Also, this herbal plants product is almost equal to the chemical antibiotics. It is simple, secure, less toxic, easy to use and available. So, this herbal plants product give us another opportunity to eradicate this microbial infection without any side effects. Now I am telling you about my work on my project. At first our guide teacher advised us and make understand the mode of action and adhesive reaction mechanism of H. pylori bacteria through Google information and some publication. Then we are guided by our guide teacher and go some local area for a survey. From there we collected several herbal plants like turmeric, ginger, broccoli, fenugreek, licorice, syzygium, etc. We collected some data from experienced person about that how we can improve our digestive system by using these herbal plants. Then we collected some data from our school students who are suffering from such disease and show such symptoms. We meet with some doctors who treat the H. pylori infected patients. We collected data about their treatment process. We meet with some gastric ulcer patients, and for being sure, we told him for stool test and we show that he is H. pylori infected. So we told him for a stool test report and we show that he is H. pylori infected, and we advise him to take some plants extract on a daily basis for 25 days continuously. After 25 days, we advise him again for another stool test report and we show that he is H. pylori negative. So from this matter we can determine that this herbal plants product is very much effective and useful to eradicate this microbial infection. Here you can see some herbal plants name, its scientific name and the bioactive compound which is contained, and here is some sample of this herbal plants. Now the question is how this herbal plant eradicate this microbial infection. This herbal plant eradicate this microbial infection by three mechanisms. These three mechanisms are urease inhibition, oxidative stress and anti-adhesion activity. By these three mechanisms, this herbal plant eradicate this microbial infection. Now I am telling you about the process by which this natural compound eradicate this disease. This bioactive compound like flavonoid, alkaloid, terpenoid, phenolic compounds and etc. This inhibit energy synthesis process of this bacterial mesosome. It inhibit bacterial DNA expression, inhibit bacterial toxin, exotoxin to the host. reversing antimicrobial resistance and synergetic effect to antibiotics, induce reactive oxygen species production in our stomach, inhibit biofilm formation in our stomach of this bacteria, inhibit cell wall disruption of this bacteria. These herbal plants promote microbial cell wall disruption and lysis. Here you can see two bar diagram of our project. This is the bar diagram of number of patients before and after taking herbal plants, and this is the bar diagram of some herbal plants according to time with its anti-adhesion activity. Here this orange color represent the number of patients before taking herbal plants, and this green color represent the number of patients after taking herbal plants. And from this bar diagram we can determine that turmeric has fastest anti-adhesion activity to inhibit this bacterial growth within 15 minutes. Now let me conclude that there are several herbal plants like turmeric, ginger, broccoli, fenugreek, licorice, syzygium, chili, parsley, oregano, cinnamon, etc. This herbal plants product is very much useful for inhibition of H. pylori infection. And the another hand, there are several herbal plants like Bengal quince, nightshade, tomato, potato, black tea, has etc. This herbal plants has no such inhibition of adhesion to eradicate this microbial infection. Turmeric has fastest anti-adhesion activity within 15 minutes to inhibit this bacterial growth. Also, it contains turmeron and curcuminoids, which is natural antioxidant. Now, future plan. We all know that prevention is better than cure, so we can take some necessary steps to eradicate this microbial infection. We can add some herbal plants in our daily diet routine. We can aware people about the usefulness of these herbal plants and about the adverse effect of this bacteria. We can advise them to cultivate these herbal plants at a huge rate, both domestically and commercially, for fostering human health, nutrition and well-being, and thus we can combat H. pylori infection and side by side another duodenal disease and bacterial infection. That's all. Thanks to all.